That's more like it. Got 80 amperinos. Woo! That's how you do it. Alrighty, now it says 52 miles of range per hour, and that was high. When the charge was down to about 140 miles, it was pumping like 62 miles of range per hour. I was like, holy. Hey, there's my loaner that I had. It was a 60 California plates. Yep. That only had 40 amperinos. What peasants? No, I'm just kidding. But it was pulling 62. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking happy that I had this. If you have an older Model S where you have the single or dual onboard chargers, and yours only has single, trust me, if you got the money, get the dual chargers. It's such a convenience thing. It's incredible. I can't believe it. But trust me. While I'm on the subject, I will mention, a lot of people don't know this and they always ask me, so I will mention now, single or dual chargers has zero to do with supercharging because when you supercharge, it goes DC to DC. It bypasses the onboard charging equipment and feeds it straight to the battery pack a lot quicker. So if you have single or dual chargers, supercharging will have zero effect on either of this. It will not charge faster or slower with one or the other, single or dual. Again, as I mentioned twice already, has nothing to do with supercharging. You even know that because you can't even mess with it because it's not using it's not using either charger. It's just direct current. Charging up all that juice. Alrighty. Okay, nice. Ramping up the amperinos. Getting 80 of them. My camera's about to die. Record what I got. There we go. Now it's going to bypass to the second charger. Alrighty. There we go. There we go. I guess it takes a minute. Look at that. Look at that. 80 amperinos, and then the mileage will count up. Takes a minute. Registers everything. Might not quite get 58 miles of range per hour, but we'll get a little less because it's at 208 volts, not 260 something, whatever it is. Alrighty. Chime back in a minute.